Hi, this is Matt with synergyfortrading.com, and what we're going to talk about in this video is why the trend is a lie. Okay? We're taught as traders on various forums, books that we've read, that we need to follow the trend, and that the trend is our friend until the end. All this crap. The realistic truth that I'm here to break to you is that the trend is a lie. Okay? Think about what we're trying to find when we're trying to find a trend. We're trying to say price is going up or price is going down. But by definition, there are problems with that. Even idea, the logic behind it. Let's think about it. First off, the trend, by definition, has to have already been occurring, correct? Because how do we know if price is going up or down? The only way we're going to know if price is going up or down if it has already done it. Okay? So think about this. If we're trying to not use lagging information in the market, the trend by definition is lagging information because it's already occurred. Which means if you're not in on it, you're too late to the party, bud, and you're just going to lose money. But traders don't think about this. They think about trying to how to identify the trend and how they can exploit it, okay? When really all they're doing is chasing lagging information that's not going to help them make any money and probably lose all their money. And so they apply little squiggly lines all over the chart like this, which is just more lagging information because price is an input to the squiggly lines, okay? So they're using lagging information to try and identify lagging information in the market, and yet no one can figure out why no one makes any money. Why do 99% of traders fail? They fail because they're chasing lagging information. And they fail because the trend is a lie. Do not try and chase the trend, because if you're chasing the trend, you're chasing information that has already occurred. What you need to be looking for is where the trend is beginning. Okay? And if you can identify where it's beginning and get in on it before it's begun, then you're able to do a couple things. One, you're able to control your risk, keep it small. Two, you're able to ask the market to do very minimal things for you to get to par and get to profit. A lot of trend traders, if they're looking at stuff like this and they say, oh well, my fast moving average, I'll get long here, and I'll get short here, and I'll get long here, and I'll get short here, and they just lose money. And then they're like, well, I'll filter it. Okay, I'll add a longer period moving average like this one, and I'll only get long here, and I'll only get short down here, and I'll only get long right here, and I won't get short there. Look, I passed on that trade. I'm getting better, and I'll get long here, and I'll get short there, but I'll still get long here, and I'll still get short here, and that's what they do, and they never make any money. Don't follow the trend. It cannot be defined, and that's the other thing. Think about what we're being asked as traders. We're being asked to define something that, one, isn't really definable. Is the trend up or down? Depending on who you are and what your definition of the trend is, whether it's a setting on a moving average, whether it's a series of higher highs or higher lows, you yourself are defining that trend. And if you yourself are defining that trend, it's up to your perception, okay? Not the market's perception. And the market doesn't care what you think. I hate to break it to you and be that stark with you, but it could care less what you think, okay? Which means, why try and define the trend? The market doesn't care what you think. So why don't you try and just throw that concept out the window, recognize that it's never made you any money, and look for areas where the trend is beginning, okay? Because the market does care about that information, okay? Because the professionals care about that information. The guys on the pit care about that information. So that's what we teach you at Synergy for Trading. We teach you to stop chasing these lies and this lagging information. And we teach you the areas where you need to exploit the beginning of trends. Avoid all of this crap and get in before before everybody starts piling in on it. Um, and so that's what our method teaches. Um, and we use up to the tick information to get us into and out of signals. So that's what we have to offer. And if you want to learn more, please check out our website, synergyfortrading.com. Thanks.